Hey, Plant Pals, Mike the Kid Gardener, and this is an update to my WIG 2022, the Winter Indoor Grow 2022, hashtag WIG 2022. And this is the lemon balm that I'm growing in my Aero Garden sprout unit. And the funny thing about this is you can see the date here, 11/7/2022. It's been a month and I only started seeing these little guys pop up like a few days ago. So it took that long for the lemon balm to germinate. And I was almost going to get rid of it. And I recalled someone saying that lemon balm is in the mint family. And I remember with my Aero Garden harvest that the mint was, and a lot of people will say this, they'll ask for a replacement pod because they think the pod was no good. And it actually is good. It just takes like 21 days for it to germinate. But once it takes off, mint usually goes like crazy. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. Hopefully it will take off and I'll have tons and tons of lemon balm. I've never grown lemon balm before. Don't know what it tastes like. But it's fun to grow. Got my little buddy here gardening them. Yeah. All right. That's just a quick update to my Winter Indoor Grow 2022 lemon balm. All right. Any comments, questions? Leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.